Dear Diary, what fun I've been having on Broadway this season. Seems like just yesterday was Halloween.
So hi, it's the Broadway Concierge, and today is Halloween! And it's also Kids Night on Broadway. How fun. With every paid adult, the kid goes for free. That means they pay nada. Today we're gonna go to Madame Tussauds. They're doing awesome things for kids. Come on! Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, I'm the Broadway Concierge. What's your name? Right now, I am at the celebrity autograph table. Look at me, a celebrity.
I'm Adam Riegler.
Hi, Adam. So what show are you in?
I am in The Addams Family.
And are you knocking them dead every night?
Yes.
I think I might sign my own name. The Broadway Concierge. Right now, I am at the Madame Tussauds right on 42nd Street. And here we are with a whole gaggle of celebrities. Let's get a look at them. One of my favorite people in the world. She was in Speed the Plow, the original production, back in like 1990 or something. See how many Broadway stars are actually here. Ooh, I spot one. Let's see if he'll talk to me. Hi, Patrick Stewart, how are you? I know! Hey, Jerry Lee, how are you? Hey, so where'd you put your Tony Award? You put it on your piano? That's kind of appropriate, right? There's Nathan Lane. Let's go say hi to him. Have you seen Andrew Jackson? He might be kind of bloody. It's the Broadway Concierge helping the elf guys. Hey guys, you need any help?
Santa can always use help.
It's just full of candy canes. Here, from Santa Claus. Hey Matthew, I just talked to Nathan upstairs. He says hello. How is Sarah Jessica? Sometimes I call her SJP. Is she gonna come back to Broadway anytime soon? Really? That's some pretty hot gossip. I'll keep it to myself. All right, well, bye. All right. One more time. I'm here with the kids of the cast of Billy Elliot. Now, if you remember correctly, they're the ones that cast me at Broadway on Broadway. Well, let's go say hi to them. Hey, girls, it's me, the Broadway Concierge.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
You're giving out dance lessons today?
Yeah.
All right, can you tell me one little step? Let's see if I got that. Thanks! Crayons fell, I'm gonna pick them up. These crayons fell. This is one of the stars of Grey Gardens. Jacqueline, how are you? I just got in their photo. Hi, what's your name?
Abigail.
And who are you dressed as today?
A salsa dancer.
Are you gonna see a Broadway show today?
Yep.
You're gonna see Mary Poppins?
Yep.
It's one of my favorite shows. Have a great time, okay?
Thank you.
All right, bye. Happy Halloween.
Hi, it's me, the Broadway Concierge.
Hi, I'm the Broadway Concierge, and right now I am backstage at New World Stages. Oh, who are you?
I'm Dorsal. And Hank from Imagination.
Oh, these
And
are my
Bubbles.
best friends.
Hey guys!
Hey.
I am exhausted again. What a fun day I had at Kids Night on Broadway. We went to Madame Tussauds. They went to New World Stages to pass out candy to all the kids. How fun. Well, it's time for me to go trick-or-treating. I got my costume on, and I am good to go. Bye. If you need me, tweet me at Broadway Concierge. Has it all been a dream? Certainly has been a dream job.
I can't wait to see what tomorrow brings. Heart, Broadway Concierge.